Exercise 7B. Sorry, 7. Yes, 7B. Exercise 7B. This is the fourth part of this exercise. Okay. 7B. Okay, we are start from question number 17. Question number 17. Question number 17 says, Sumitra has rupees 34 in 50 paise and 25 paise coins. If the number of 25 paise coins is twice the number of 50 paise coins, how many coins of each kind does she have? Okay. So, here student, total sum is total sum of money. Total sum of money is equal to rupees 34. Here are some coins of 50 paise and some coins of 25 paise. Okay, and there a relation in 20 paise coins and 50 paise coins. The number of 50 paise coins is twice the number of the number of 25 paise coins is twice the number of 50 paise coins. Let 50 paise coins, 50 paise, let the number of, let the number of 50 paise coin be x. Okay, then number of 25 paise coins will be 2s. After that we convert the number of coins in the form of rupees. Okay, so we write then, and we write 25 paise coins in the form of rupees is equal to 25 upon 100, because we know that 1 rupees have 100 paise. 25 on the 25 for the 100. This is 1 upon 4 rupees. It means that 25 questions were 25 paise value in the form of rupees 1 upon 4 and 50 paise coins value in the form of rupees 50 upon 100. Okay, 50 ones are 50 to the 100. It's rupees 1 upon 2. 150 paise coins value is 1 upon 2 rupees and 125 paise coins value in rupees 1 upon 4. Okay. After that, according to question, the sum of 25 paise coin and 50 paise coin is rupees 34. Okay, so we write here x multiply, x means number of 50 paise coin and their value in the form of rupees 1 upon 2. So we multiply x multiply by 1 upon 2. Okay, plus 25 paise coins, number of 25 paise coins, 2x multiply by 1 upon 4, because 125 paise coins value in the form of rupees is 1 upon 4. So 2 on the 2 to the 4. Okay, student, is equal to how many rupees? 34 rupees. 34 rupees. That's right. Okay, because this is also in the form of rupees and also this is 34 rupees in the form of rupees. Rupees cancel out. After that, this becomes x upon 2 plus this also becomes x upon 2 is equal to 34. Okay student, so we take LCM of x upon 2 and 2, and this becomes 2. So x plus x is equal to 34. After that is 12. We write here 2x upon 2 is equal to 34. Okay, 2x upon 2 is equal to 34. 2 cancel out, x is equal to 34. Means number of 55% coins be 34, and 2x is equal to 2 multiply 34. This is the 25 paise coins. Number of 25 paise coins. 2 4 that 8, 2 3 that 6, 68. Okay student? This is your answer. 34, and therefore number of 25 paise coins is 34, and sorry, ये 50 है, this is 50, and 25 paise coins is 68. Okay, this is your solution student. Write this. After that, question number 18 is student. Hello? जस्ट अभी कर देते हैं ना सर तुरंत. ओके 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 ओके. Okay student, after that question number 18. Question number 18 student. Question number 18 says Raju is 19 years younger than his cousin. Okay, Raju is 19 years younger than his cousin. After 5 years, their ages will be in the ratio 2:3. Find their present ages. Okay, so we write this question in the form of this form. Question number 18. Let बेटा यहाँ पे राजू की भी एज सपोज कर सकते हैं और उसके कजिन्स की भी एज सपोज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना. लेट राजूज कजिन्स एज, राजूज cousin's age. Raju's cousin's age. Raju's cousin age be X years. Okay, student, X years. Then Raju's age will be Raju's age will be X minus 17 years. Okay, student, X minus 17 years. Okay, student. After 5 years. After 5 years. After 5 years. Raju's cousin's age is will be left turn is equal to how many years? X plus 5. Yes. Okay, student. And Raju's age is equal to how many years, student? X minus 17 plus 5 years is equal to 17 minus 5 means this becomes 12 years. Okay, student. So their ratio will be after 5 years 2:3. Okay. Therefore, according to question, x plus 5 upon x plus 5 upon x minus 12 this is wrong. Firstly, we write the age of Raju's x minus 12 upon x plus 5 is equal to 2:3. Okay, student? 2:3 means 2 upon 3. So we cross multiply here. 3 multiply x minus 12 is equal to 2 multiply x plus 5. 3x minus 12 3 is 36 is equal to 2x plus 5 2 is 10. Okay, 2x transpose here and this becomes 3x minus 2x is equal to 10. 36 transpose here and this becomes plus 36. After that we write here x is equal to 46. Okay, this is the age of his cousin. Okay, and Raju's age. Therefore, Raju's age is equal to what is x minus what is 17. Okay, student. X minus 17 means 46 minus 17. Okay, student. Twenty-nine years. Right, this is true. Wait student, wait. Wait student. This is wrong student. Wait. I read question again. Okay student. Raju is 19 years younger. 19. Here is 19 student. 19. Okay. 19 years younger. 19 years younger. His cousin. After 5 years, their ages will be in the ratio 2:3. Find their present ages. अभी चल रहा है. Okay student. Here is 19. Okay. And 19 minus 5 14 हो जाएगा student. Regarding the question student, ये हो जाएगा आपका x minus 14 upon x plus 5. Okay student, is equal to 2 upon 3. Cross multiply. This becomes 3x minus 42. Student, और ये 2x plus 2. 3x minus 2x. Okay student, one step is starting here. This step is this 3 multiply x minus 14 and is equal to 2 multiply x plus 5. This step is starting here, so here we get this is equal to 10 plus 42. X is equal to 10 plus this becomes 52. This is the age of his cousins. This is cousin's age. Okay. After that, therefore, Raju's age. This is x minus 19 years. Okay student, 19 years. So x plus the radical 52 minus 19 years. 52 minus 19 student, 12 से 9 जाएगा तो 3, 4 से 1 जाएगा तो 3, 33 years. This is the age of Raju. Right answer. अच्छा एक मिनट थोड़ा अभी क्लास में 2 मिनट बाद क्लास बात करा तो चलेगा. ठीक. बेटा आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 करना है. A father is 30 years older than his son. Okay. A father is 30 years older than his son. Okay. In 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. Okay. क्वेश्चन की मीनिंग ये है बेटा कि कोई फादर है जो अपने बेटे से, अपने सन से 30 इयर्स बड़ा है. ठीक, ओल्डर है. 12 इयर्स 12 वर्ष के बाद मीन्स 12 इयर्स के बाद द मैन विल बी 3 टाइम्स, जो मैन है वो अपने सन के एज का 12 ईयर्स के बाद जो एज होगी, ठीक, मैन का एज अपने सन के एज का 3 टाइम्स रहता है। ओके, फाइंड दियर प्रेजेंट एज, तो उनके प्रेजेंट एज को फाइंड करना है। और बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 सेज द एजेस ऑफ सोनल एंड मनोज आर इन द रेशियो 7:5। ओके, और सोनल और मनोज के एज का जो रेशियो है बेटा वो 7:5 है। 10 ईयर्स हेंस द रेशियो ऑफ देयर एजेस विल बी 9:7। बेटा 7 ईयर्स के बाद जो उनके एज का रेशियो हो जाता है, ठीक, वो हो जाता है 10 ईयर्स के बाद उनके एज का रेशियो हो जाता है 9:7, ठीक। तो उनके प्रेजेंट एज को फाइंड करना है, ये भी बेटा आपको कर लेना है। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 भी बहुत ही ईजी है, इसको भी बेटा आपको करना है। 5 ईयर्स एगो अ मैन वाज 7 टाइम्स एज ओल्ड एज हिज सन, ठीक। 5 ईयर्स एगो, 5 ईयर्स पहले की बात कर रहा है कि कोई मैन है जो अपने मीन्स बेटे के एज का 7 टाइम्स था, 5 ईयर्स पहले की बात है, ठीक। उस टाइम में जो उसका फादर था अपने सन से 7 टाइम्स होता है ओल्डर। 5 ईयर्स सेंस प्रेजेंट एज के 5 ईयर्स के बाद द फादर विल बी 3 टाइम्स एज ओल्ड एज हिज सन। तो 5 ईयर्स प्रेजेंट एज के 5 ईयर्स के बाद जो एज होगी उस एज में उसका जो फादर होता है अपने सन के एज का 3 टाइम हो जाता है। तो इनके प्रेजेंट एज फाइंड करना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 आफ्टर 12 ईयर्स मनोज विल बी 3 टाइम्स एज ओल्ड एज ही वाज 4 ईयर्स अगो। तो यहाँ पे कह रहा है बेटा 12 ईयर्स के बाद जो मनोज की एज होगी, जो प्रेजेंट टाइम में मनोज की एज है, ठीक, आफ्टर 12 ईयर्स मनोज विल बी 3 टाइम्स एज ओल्ड एज ही वाज 4 ईयर्स अगो। मीन्स क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि 4 ईयर्स अगो जो मनोज की एज थी, ठीक, प्रेजेंट एज से 12 ईयर्स के बाद की जो एज होगी तो वो अपने पहले वाले एज 4 ईयर्स अगो वाले एज का 3 टाइम्स हो जाता है। तो उसके प्रेजेंट एज को फाइंड करना है। बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 तक आप करेंगे, 22 से नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं बताऊंगा। आज के वीडियो में बस थैंक यू।